Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly conduct a feasibility study, including massing and statistics in AutoCAD using Planary 3. We will go over the key features that will get you started with Planary in no time. This includes creating parametric sites and buildings, integrating a 3D context map, and exporting Excel data file. The plugin is available for a free trial. You can download it from our product page, linked in the description below. We begin with a basic drawing. I'm going to draw my site and sketch my building using polylines. In this example, I've got a podium and a tower. Next, I'll head over to the Agile Form tab and launch Planary. To add our first site, I will right-click in the Planary view, click Add Site, and pick the property line from AutoCAD. Once the site is selected, I can rename it and add comments under the properties. To create the first building, I'll right-click on the site and select Add Building from the drop-down. Then, back to AutoCAD to pick the polyline of the first building part, the podium. Under Properties, I can name the building and change the site associated with my building. Under the building part properties, I can change the name, set the number of floors and heights, and assign the use and building section. Changing the height for a specific floor is easy. I'll adjust the first floor to be 8 meters high and designate it for retail use. The next step is to add a building part above. I will right-click on my building part and select Add Building Part Above. I'll go back to AutoCAD and pick the polyline for the tower. In the properties, I'll rename it to Tower. This building part will be a 22-story residential. I can always edit my drawing in AutoCAD, and the updates to statistics and massing will be reflected in real time in Planary. To add another building to our site, I'll draw a new polyline. Right-click on my site again and add a building. We can also add land and outdoor spaces to our project on our site. Just right-click on the site, choose Land, and go back to AutoCAD to select the polyline for the outdoor space. I'll rename it to Open Space and set it as Greenery. I can also adjust the thickness. My project's analysis is dynamically updated in real time on the Analysis dashboard. It displays metrics, including gross floor area, site area, floor space index, building coverage ratio, total height, number of floors, net saleable areas, unit count, parking, and unit mix. Additionally, the Area Distribution tab offers a detailed view of how the building area and land use are allocated. It breaks down the distribution both by percentage and by area. To exclude an element from the analysis and the view, I can right-click on one of the building's elements and choose Exclude Building. The building will be excluded from the total calculations and when I export the data to an Excel file. Planary lets us set a location and view our project in a 3D context map. To place the project on a map, I will select the map type first. On the map properties, I can type the address or use geolocation. With the Place marker on map, I will select the point to place my site. By clicking Change Site Base Point, I'll create a base point to link my AutoCAD drawing to the Planary map. I can adjust the site to the map using the rotation tool and change the marker location at any time. By clicking Place to DMap, I can bring a satellite image directly to AutoCAD. I can change the map style. In edit mode, I can hide existing massing. I can add a topography layer and street names. Under Preferences, I can customize the project's parameters and the calculations for key metrics. This flexibility allows me to adjust everything from project units, building spaces, parking and land use to the unit mix and view styles. I can easily create a new design option by right-clicking on the Project tab and choosing Duplicate. This gives me a copy of my project that I can modify, allowing me to explore different design scenarios. To save a new camera position, I will click Save View. If I need to delete or rename the new camera, I can go to Manage, where I can delete or rename it, and then click OK. To create an angular plane, all we need to do is draw a line in AutoCAD. Right-click on the site and select Add Angular Plane and pick the line. Under Properties, we can give it a name. Change the length of the projected plane, the angle, the thickness, and the offset from the ground level. In AutoCAD, we can drag and move the line and change the angular plane location and size. To create an underground parking, I'll draw a shape in AutoCAD and make a new building part. In the Properties section, I will set the use to underground parking. And ensure the underground checkbox is selected. This action positions my building part below ground level. In Planary, I have the option to export the statistics to Excel file. I'll go to File, Export, Excel Data File, and Save. Planary will create an Excel sheet of our project, summarizing the statistics, giving us a breakdown of our sites and our buildings. Thanks for watching, and keep following for more tutorials.